New tonight in the fight to stop the spread. In less than 2 weeks, the country's first vaccine mandate for all workers and private businesses will go into effect across the city to help stop the spread of COVID. News 12's Marissa Marcelino has what you need to know on how to comply and talks to a bodega owner who says it'll hurt his business.
COVID-19 cases are rising across the city, and health officials are still wrapping their heads around the new Omicron variant. The mayor says it's time to act.
The private sector vaccine mandate that takes effect on December 27th. This is the boldest action in the nation.
This means to be able to go into the office, workers will be required to have their first dose of the COVID vaccine by the 27th. The mayor says nearly 184,000 businesses in the city will be affected by the new mandate.
I do not expect people to be losing their jobs, and when it's really the moment of truth, they make the decision to get vaccinated.
He says 90% of New York City adults have at least one dose of the vaccine and hopes this will help get that number even higher. Francisco Marte has almost 20 employees in his Bronx bodegas. He says about 70% of them are vaccinated, and he doesn't plan to fire those who don't get the shot.
They don't want to do it. They said they won't do it. We have to respect them. I'm not gonna let them go like that.
Marte says he can't afford to lose workers. He says while he'll try to convince them to get vaccinated, he thinks it should be their choice.
What we need is more education with our community to make them understand.
The mayor said they've already consulted 76 business improvement districts to help provide guidance. Workers need to get their second dose 45 days after the mandate begins, which is around mid-February. In Soundview, Marissa Marcelino, News 12.